exercise. We are telling about the before exercise addition on the number line. So these exercise subtraction on the number line. So here minus 7 minus 6, minus 7 minus 6, two negative numbers. We are subtracted how much value? Good morning students. In last class we are learning about the integers. Integers are positive numbers and negative numbers including with 0. So positive numbers comparing, highest number is a greater number. 0 and positive numbers comparing, positive number always greater than 0. Two negative numbers compare, always smallest number is greater than other negative number. One positive number, one negative number comparing, positive number always greater than negative number. So today we are going to integers addition on the number line, subtraction on the number line, multiplication on the number line. So here what is a number line? This is a line. On this line we are identify the numbers minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. These are number line. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. These we are called number line. So here addition on the number line, subtraction on the number line. How to add integers on the number line, how to subtract integers on the number line. 5 plus 3. So here first you draw the number line. So numbers identify on the number line minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here challenge 5 plus 3. Where is the 5? You are identify on the number line. Here 5. Very good. So plus. Now from 5 plus we are moving always right side. So plus symbol positive. So we are moving always right side. Minus symbol we are moving always left side. So here plus, how many numbers moving right side? 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3 numbers. So here 5 to 8. Here these arrows shows we are moving right side. So how much 5 plus 3? 8. Next one. Minus 4 plus 9. Minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here first integer minus 4. Minus 4 identify on the number line. minus 4. Here which sign given? Plus sign. So from minus 4 we are plus sign, we are moving right side. So how many numbers we are moving? 9 numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. How much here? Plus 5. 5. Next one. Minus 11 minus 9. Minus 23 minus 22 minus 21 minus 20 minus 19 minus 18 minus 17 minus 16 minus 15 minus 14 minus 13 minus 12 minus 11 minus 10 minus 9 minus 8 minus 7 minus 6. Enough. So here starting which number? Minus 11. Your first integer identify on the number line. Minus 11. Here which sign given? Minus sign. Plus sign given, we are moving right side. Minus sign, we are moving left side. How many numbers we are moving? 9 numbers. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. How much value? Minus 20. So here minus 11 minus 9. How much value? Minus 20. So positive sign, we are moving right side on the number line. See, positive sign, we are moving, sorry here, we are moving right side on the number line. Negative sign, negative sign, we are moving left side on the number line. On the number line. Copy this one. Next one. So 4.3, 4.4, these two are very easy exercise. Now here we are going to exercise 4.3. Add the following integers using number line. So here first problem, 7 plus minus 6. Here 7 given, minus 6 given, but here plus given. So in this case, these one very important. One minus sign we are multiply, plus, that means minus 5 minus 3. So 5 3s are 15. Both numbers negative numbers. So two negative numbers we are multiply, plus 15. Next one. 1 minus sign, no, 1 plus sign we are multiply, plus. Two positive numbers we are multiply, always positive. So plus 3 plus 2, plus 3 cross out plus 2. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6, plus into plus. 3 2s are 6, plus into plus. Next one. 1 plus 1 minus, negative. 1 positive number, 1 negative number we are multiply, always negative. Example, plus 5 minus 3. 5 3s are 15, plus into minus. So here see, two same symbols we are multiply, plus sign. Two opposite symbol, one negative number, one positive number we are multiply, negative. Minus 3 plus 2. 3 2s are 6, minus into plus. So here two same symbols we are multiply, plus. Two same symbols we are multiply, plus. Two opposite signs we are multiply, minus. Two opposite signs we are multiply, minus. So here 7, one positive plus number, one negative number multiply, plus into minus. Minus 3, sorry, minus 6. Now easily we are identify on the number line. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Enough. So 7 minus 6, 14. So here starting number, which number? 7. 7 identify on the number line. 7. So here which sign given? Minus sign. So before we are discussing, minus sign we are moving left side on the number line. So here how many numbers given? 6 numbers. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So how much value? 1. Next one, minus 8 minus 2. Here minus 8 plus or cross out or product or bracket. These are same meaning. Half means multiplication. 5 of 6 30. 5 6 are 30. 5 cross out 6 30. The product of 5 and 6 30. 5 bracket 6 30. So 5 of 6 30. 5 cross out 6 30. Product of 5 and 6 30. 5 bracket 6 30. So these are same meaning. So here see, minus plus into minus, plus into minus, minus 2. So you are draw the number line. Minus 12, minus 11, minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. So here minus 8, minus starting integer, minus 8 identify on the number line. So here minus given. So minus symbol we are moving left side or right side? Left side. How many numbers? 2 numbers. 1, 2. So minus 8 minus 2 value minus 10. Next one. Minus 6 plus minus 5 plus 2. Here minus 6. Minus plus into minus. Plus into minus. Minus. Plus into minus. Minus 5. Plus into plus. Plus into plus 2. So now identify on the number line. Minus 13, minus 12, minus 11, minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. 0. So here minus 6. Minus 6 identify on the number line. Here minus 5. So minus symbol means we are moving left side on the number line. Minus sign. So how many numbers we are moving? 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the value? Minus 11. Again plus 2. Or here see. Minus 11 plus 2. So here minus 11. Identify on the number line. Plus 2. Plus means we are moving right side. How many numbers? 2 numbers. 1, 2. What is the final number? Minus 9. Next one. Add without using number line. Very easiest sums. Add without using number line. without using number line. Here 10 plus minus 3. So here 10 plus into minus value minus 3. 10 minus 3 all are known 7. Next one. Minus 10 plus 16. Here minus 10 plus into plus. Where is the plus into plus? Their product plus 16. Here see, this is a positive number, this is actually 10 minus 3, how much? 7. Every child easily without thinking 10 minus 3 how much? Easily 7. 7 sir. But this one reverse asking minus 3 plus 10. Now all are confusing. This is a reverse asking, all are confusing. Oh, this is a different problem you are thinking. No, this is a reverse just. So 7. For example, 3 2s are 6. So 2 3s are 6 only. So as it is here, minus 10 plus 16. How much? So in this situation you are doubt or confusion. One positive number, one negative number, always subtraction. A big number, which number? 16. 16 minus 10. 6. 16 which symbol? Plus symbol. So answer also plus symbol. Plus 6. Next one. Minus 8 plus 8. Minus 8. Positive number, positive number. Two positive numbers multiply, their product also positive, plus 8. 8 plus 8. Sorry, 8 minus 8. So 1 positive 8, 1 negative 8, always 0. So here 0. Copy. Next problem, find the sum of find the sum of. So here 120 and minus 216, 274. So here see, minus 274 plus 120. One negative number, one positive number, always subtract. 4 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 2, 5. 2 minus 1, 1. So here 150. These both are, which number is a large number? Now which number is a large number? 274. Normally. So these one, which symbol? Minus symbol. So here also keep minus. Minus 150. Next one. Minus 68 and 48. Minus 68, 28. So here minus 68 plus 28. Here positive number, negative number must and should we are subtract. We know 8 minus 8, 0. 6 minus 2, 4. So here which is the, let's see here there is a no symbol. Normally which is a big number? 68. 68 has which symbol? Minus symbol. So here also you keep minus symbol. Next one, simplify. Fourth one, simplify. Minus 6 minus 10 plus 5 plus 70. So here minus 6 minus into plus, plus into minus, minus, minus 10 plus 5 plus 70. So here 2 are negative numbers. So these two are negative numbers. So minus 6 minus 10. How much? Minus 16. These two are positive number. 17 plus 5, 22. Always negative numbers add, positive numbers add. So here 1 plus, 1 minus, subtract. 22 minus 16. We take one number. Here 12. 12 minus 6, 6. So here plus 6. Remaining one problem or homework. Remaining one problem or homework. So exercise 3 finish. Next as is exercise 4 also this like. Next we are going to exercise 4. Copy this one. Here minus 7 minus 6. Here minus 7 minus into minus, minus into minus, plus 6. So clear? Minus 7 minus into minus. Where is the minus into minus? Minus into minus, plus 7 plus 6. So minus 7 plus 6. How to subtract on the number line? Minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. So here plus 6. Where is the plus 6? So minus 7, identify on the number line. Here plus sign given. In previous class we are discussing. So plus means we are moving right side on the number line. So here 6. How many numbers we are moving? 6 numbers right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how much value? Minus 1. Next one. Minus 3 plus minus 7. So here minus 15, minus 14, minus 13, minus 12, minus 11, minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3. Here see minus 3 plus into minus, plus into minus. Where is the plus into minus? Minus sign. Minus 7. So minus 3 identify on the number line. Identify. So how many numbers we are moving? 7 numbers. Which sign? Plus minus sign. So we are moving left side or right side? Left side. How many numbers? 7 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the value? Minus 10. So minus 3 minus 7 is equal to minus 10. Next one. Minus 3 plus minus 6 minus minus 20. Here see minus 3. My plus into minus. Plus into minus. Always negative. So minus 6, minus into minus, minus into minus, plus 20. So write the number line. Here minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are. So here first minus 3. Minus 3 identify on the number. Minus 3 identify on the number line. Next which sign? Minus sign. Minus sign we are moving left side on the number 1 2 3 4 5 6. So how much here value? Minus 9 plus 20. So here minus 9, identify on the minus 9, plus 20. So plus sign, we are moving right side on the number line. How many numbers? 20 numbers. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. How much value? Plus 11. So next another one example. Next one, exercise 4.4. Find first one, 40 minus 22. They cannot ask. That is using number line or normal subtraction. So we write the using number line. Here 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40. So here 40 identify on the number line. Here identify. Minus sign means we are moving left side. How many numbers? 22 numbers. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22. So how much value? 18. Next one. So 84 minus 98. So here see, minus 98 plus 84. Here one negative number, one positive number. Always subtract. So 8 minus 4, 4. 9 minus 8, 1. So 98 is a large number. So this is a minus symbol. So here you keep minus. Minus 14. Next one, minus 16. Minus 16 plus 17. Minus 60 plus into minus plus into minus. One positive number, one negative number we are multiplying. their product always minus 70. So here minus 16 minus 70. Both are negative numbers. What we do? So add 6 plus 7, 13. 1, 1, 1, 3. So minus 33. Two are negative signs, we are addition. Next one. Minus 20, 13. Here see, minus 20. So a number before there is a no sign, that means plus. Here 13 before any sign? No. So this means here plus 13. So minus into plus. One negative number, one positive number. Two opposite numbers, we are opposite signs. We are multiply always minus. So minus 13. Minus 20 minus 13. As is, both are negative numbers. Add 0 plus 3, 3, 2 plus 1, 3. So minus 33. Next one, 38 minus 66. So here 38. Plus into plus, plus into plus, sorry, minus into minus, plus, minus into minus, plus 6. 38 plus 6, plus 38 plus 6. Both are positive numbers, add. 8 plus 6, 14. 3 plus 1, 4. 44. Next one. Minus 17 minus 36 minus 17. So here write minus 17. Minus into minus, minus into minus, plus 36. Minus into minus, plus 36. So here 36 minus 17. 6 minus 7, not possible. We bring one number here 2, here 16. You know now 16? This is a 110. 110 jump one's place. So that is a one's place, 110, 10 ones. Already here how many ones? 6 ones. Totally 16 ones. 16 minus 7, 9. 2 minus 1, 1. So 19. Copy this one. Next one, fill in the boxes with less than or greater than or equal to sign. Second problem. Second one. First problem, minus 4 plus minus 5. Minus 4 plus minus 5 is equal to minus 5 minus 4. Here see, minus 4 minus 4. here minus, plus into minus, plus into minus. How much? Plus into minus, their product always negative. So here minus 5. Next one, minus 5, minus into minus, minus into minus, 2 of same signs, we are multiplied their product plus, so plus 4. Now minus 4 minus 5 minus 9. So minus 5 minus 4, one negative number, one positive number, we are subtract. 5 minus 4, 1. 5 has my big number, this number has minus sign, so you keep minus 1. So minus 9 big number or minus 1 big number? Here challenge, which number is a big number? Minus 1 is a large number, so this is a large numbers. Next one, minus 16 minus 23 minus 6 plus minus 12. Here see, minus 16 minus into minus plus 23 minus 6 plus into minus minus 12. So here 23 minus 16, 7 plus 7, minus 6 minus 12 minus 18. So one positive number, one negative number, comparing, always positive number, big number. So here minus 16 minus 23 is a large number. Next one, 44 minus 10 47 plus minus 3, which is the largest number? Here 44, minus into minus, their product always plus, so plus 10, 44 plus 10, 47, plus into minus, then minus 3. So here 47 minus 3, 44, 44 plus 10, 54. Now which is the largest number? 54. So next one, third one, fill in the blank. Fill in the blank. Easy. Here minus 13 plus one number 0. So minus 13, how many numbers we are added? 0. So 0 which case coming? One positive number, one negative number, both are same. That situation 0 coming. This is we know. Plus 5 minus 5 0. Plus 9 minus 9 0. We know. So plus 13 no. Minus 13. Here which number automatically? Plus 13 0. Plus 13 or 13 moving to RHS plus 13. Next one, minus 16 16. How much value? Minus 16 plus 16 we know before only 0. Next one. Minus 5 plus minus 14. So here which number? Here see, minus 5 minus 14. So minus 5, how many numbers added? Minus 14. Minus 9 numbers we are added minus 14. How do you know? These minus 5 moving this side, plus 5 coming here, minus 9. That is here. Next one. Here one number we don't know. 2 minus 16 is equal to minus 22. Here see, dash 2 minus 16 minus 14